So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Rheem. First one in years. We usually do Bradford White. Homeowner picked this out. So you've got your model number, serial number right here. You can go to the Rheem website and get that registered. I think it's probably going to be a 6-year parts, 1-year labor. 40-gallon water heater. What we did is replaced all the plumbing that we could outside of the wall. So brand new vent going up into the attic. And then let's see if I can grab onto something and get up there because I put my ladder away. And, oh, this would be fun. There we go. There's a brand new ball valve right there. So galvanized pipe sticking out of the wall. We just took the old gate valve off, put a ball valve on, brass coupling right in there. It's actually just a short nipple, a hex nipple, and a Falcon stainless steel connector over to a brass 90. It was just really tight up here, so we put a 90 and turned it sideways so we could get our supply line in there. And then on the hot side, no valve required, but we did replace that galvanized nipple. It was really corroded, and I was afraid that the nut on this Falcon stainless steel connector would begin weeping. So we just replaced that, and then of course come down to your pump. So this is your Grumfos pump. Right now it is on timer, and I'm assuming that's where it was when I took it off. I'm not sure if it was set to on or set the timer. But anyway, so you've got your clock. I set your clock for you, and then of course the dials. I didn't touch the tabs in and out, so whenever this is recirculating on timer, it'll start doing that again. Just plug back in over there. Coming out, and then we had to get this off the wall. 3/4 inch plywood, just a couple pieces because the relief line is buried back there, and so we had to stub that all in and get this pipe out here and hold it off the wall whilst strapping it to the corner. So anyways, upper third and lower third, you've got those, and then of course upper third strap, lower third strap, and then a brand new gas valve. We did give you a T here. You're getting an inspection. Sometimes inspectors want to see this drip leg, sometimes they don't care, and it's the times that they want it and you didn't put it in, you got to come back and you got to move your washing machine again and whatnot. So anyways, T, drip leg, and then a brand new shutoff valve, brand new connector coming over to your controller. Right now it's set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees, so hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend leaving it here at B140. You get 3rd-degree burns in 3 seconds, so be mindful of that. And then of course a brand new stand. This was just plywood, a couple of ledgers on the wall, 2x4s, and then 3/4 plywood on 1-2 sides, and then a double layer on top. So now these are rated for water heaters. Just a little kit that comes. We get it right out of Ferguson and put that together, shove it in the corner. We did put a couple shims. One, you can see there's a shim on the floor there, and there's a shim on the floor here, just because the stand was kind of going down, not that bad, but just to show you, it was going downhill. And so we shimmed that up, and then on the back, it was the high portion of the concrete that leg is sitting on, so we just shaved off about 1/4 inch with the Sawzall. And then we did put a screw here, right there, so the stand is against the wall, and then a screw right there, so that's secure. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.